Okay, everybody. I am trying something new, so I'm not sure if this is going live or not. It says it's connecting. Let's see. Select a new key below to go live or switch to this. Okay, let's see. Looks like a couple of questions that I need to answer, and let me. Okay, I think I'm live. So I just thought, let me try this way. And I'm not expecting anybody to be watching me live. Hopefully, the video is there. Let me just double check. Okay. All right. I think I'm good to go. Okay. I have an exciting announcement that I wanted to make to my members inside of the Digital Business Academy. And I thought, let me just jump onto YouTube just in case somebody happens to watch this. They can learn and see what's going to happen. So I am going to share my screen. And I've got a little whiteboard. It's just easier for me to talk with my fingers and pictures and all that kind of stuff. So I am going to make this a little bigger here so that we can see it. So hopefully, I think there's a little bit of a lag. Let me just double check if this is going to show up. Looks like there's about a 10-second lag. So I'll just keep watching to make sure that it's capturing what I'm talking about. Okay, so what am I talking about? My Digital Business Academy first started when I was trying to help people with the technology. And so people have come to the membership, different levels of their business. And what I'm realizing is it's so easy to get lost in the woods. And you end up spending time on stuff that doesn't make sense, or you're just constantly trying to move forward, get going, and nothing ever gets accomplished. So I am revamping things inside of my membership where we are going to focus on monthly challenges, and a challenge in the sense that it will be doable to actually get it done within 3 days. So how are the challenges going to work? Every month we will have a topic that's announced, and I'll show you some of the topics here in a minute. And then, based on those monthly themes, that's going to be our focus for the whole month. Because in your business, there's different. Think of a wheel with a spoke. There's different aspects of your business that you need to be working on. So we will work on those themes. The themes will be based on stages of your business, which I'll talk about in just a minute. But basically, the stages are attract, convert, and scale. So we will be offering challenges in each one of those phases so that it will fit everyone. And my DBA advanced members will be able to vote and have input as far as which topics are most pressing for them. Okay, so that's how it first starts. And then one challenge per month. So then you will get an email with the pre work. Okay, so you'll get a document that has the details about the challenge, talk about what the objectives are. And usually there'll be a little bit of pre work, not a lot, but a little bit of pre work that will be identified in that document. And you'll also get access to a workbook. Then the challenge will be 3 days. Day one is I will map out what the specific objectives are of the challenge. So we know what we're aiming for, what we hope to accomplish. what the expectations are for me and you, and we'll review the workbook, and then I will start mapping out what the beginning tasks are. Okay, so it's kind of like welcome everyone. Here's what we're going to work on, and get ready. It's like cooking a big meal. Okay, everybody go to the pantry and drag out the stuff that you need, and then tomorrow we're going to cook. Okay. So then on day 2, I will be doing an over the shoulder demonstration. So no matter what it is, let's say we're building our awesome lead magnet, I will show you step by step how I go about creating that lead magnet. I will give you the framework, the structures, and all the resources to help you to be able to accomplish this. And I'm going to be implementing AI also. So any AI prompts, any checklist, templates, all of that will be given you also. And then you will have very specific homework. And the goal is that this is a challenge. You will actually start working on it, and I will be rewarding people every month. There will be a winner. Whoever accomplishes the homework, there'll be some kind of a prize, and then we'll always have some time left over for Q&A. Then on day 3, it's fine tuning. So you will have submitted your homework. I'll be able to review the homework, and then we'll start doing some fine tuning and testing. So whatever it is we're working on based on the feedback that I'm seeing from the members, I can give you specific feedback. If you have questions, we'll do little mini hot seats so I can actually share the screen, or you can share your screen and we can dig in and figure that out. And then at the end of the challenge, either that day or the next day, you'll get access to all of the links. So, the presentation, the replay, all of that kind of stuff consolidated in one area in the membership so that you can go back and redo it again over and over. So I am super excited about this. Let me know when you're watching this if this makes sense and if it's exciting to you, because each month, it's like we'll be able to post it on the wall. This is what I accomplished. This is what it's going to do in my business, and check. Okay. So let's talk about some of the themes here. And again, based on the needs of the students inside of Digital Business Academy, these can change. And also the VIP members can vote as far as what is most important for that month. So remember, I said the 3 main pillars. What we're aiming for is the attract phase, the convert phase, and the scale phase. So I started doing some brainstorming on particular topics that we will be working on. So for instance, in the convert phase, email engagement explosion. So there are certain things you can do to make sure that people are responding to your email, because we don't want to just build a list, right? We want to create some raving fans in our emails. So that's just one example. Something in the attract phase would be our lead magnet lab. I've got a very specific framework to help you easily create a lead magnet that's going to get people raising their hand. All right. In the scale, one of the challenges, how to outsource and delegate using my blueprint. So it's super easy. It's not overwhelming, and it's not going to be super expensive either, because once you start outsourcing, then you can truly start scaling, right? Then there's a couple other categories that I was thinking of that's important. So maintenance, there's certain things in your business as the CEO of your business that you should be working on. So the money matters. the back office organization, project planning, all of those kinds of things. And then some foundational things. So, what are the essential business tools you should be using? Which ones do I recommend? How do you use those tools? Social media assets and systems, marketing assets, portfolio perfection. So you get the idea. Again, the topics every single month. The topic for the challenge will be different. We'll be pulling from the different categories, and you'll know ahead of time what's coming up next month. And because some things maybe will seem more important to you. Hopefully, you'll want to jump into all of the challenges because I'm looking at what is it that people need in their business so that we can attract, convert, and scale to build your profitable and sustainable online business. Okay, I'm excited. I hope you're excited. So, what are the different plans? Excuse me. This really hasn't changed, but I want to emphasize what the differences are. So, if you're just getting started in your business, the DBA Prep is the best place to be. It's only $7 a month. I mean, I think I pay $6 for a specialty coffee. So, invest and join so you'll have access to the monthly challenge. I also provide a monthly digital drop. It may or may not coincide exactly with our challenge. A monthly live Q&A, and then also access to all of the past challenges as we build this out. In my Digital Business Academy members here, you'll get all of that. Plus, you'll get what I call live hot seat assistance. So think more like tech support. Actually, how do I do this? So Monday through Friday, there'll be Q&A support. You just drop in a question, a request, and either I will create little mini videos, or I might even invite you to a live little Zoom session and we'll do a hot seat assistance. The idea in this phase here is I don't want you getting stuck with a lot of the back end pieces, like the back end tech pieces, or just knowing where to go. Okay. I'll also be providing funnel audits. So you're struggling, and this is also automation audits. You're trying to build something and it's not working. I can jump in, open the hood, and see what's going on. Also, something additional that I'm adding is one coaching session per month. Okay. Now, depending on where you're coming to me, straight out in the public, my coaching rate ranges from 200 to 250 an hour. People that's inside my network, usually it's $100 per session. So if you're one of my Digital Business Academy members, you get one coaching session a month. You just reach out for it. If you want this for free, all you have to do is be one of my affiliates for Go High Level or Funnel Gorgeous, and you're in the Digital Business Academy for free. Okay, and then the highest level here is my DBA VIP. So you get everything that's included in both of these. In addition to that, you have daily VIP Voxer support. So I'm in your back pocket. Monday through Friday, you just need to brainstorm, you need to vent, you just have a quick question. You just send me Voxer discussions, and then once a day I listen and I answer back. This program here also includes your marketing support. I'm sorry, the actual platform. So if you don't have a marketing platform, they start at 97, they go up to like 199. So depending, you might have Funnel Gorgeous, you might have Go High Level. If you're inside of my program, I include the marketing platform for you. So it's kind of a no-brainer. Why wouldn't you want this one? For people inside of my VIP, as I build out funnel templates, you get those. As I build out the automation templates, you get those. No additional charge for any of those things. All right. And then also, I offer what I call a build with you type support. So again, you're struggling because I have access to your account. You just let me know, I tried to set up the automation and I'm missing something. I just jump in and I do a couple little tweaks and I fix that problem for you. So if you have questions about the membership options, let me know, and I'll explore that later with you. And then just to, this is just a visual. So think about how nice it's going to be knowing how you're going to be building your business month by month. And I'm specifically looking at what do people need to grow their business, to scale their business. And the market's always changing. So last year there was one thing that was popular, and now things are moving a different direction. So I'm also going to be moving along with what's happening in the market. And you will know, as the business owner, you can just rest assured, right? Because we're going to work on all of these things together. So I am super excited about this. Can't wait to jump in. If you once you see this, let me know. And what topics would you like to see in the monthly challenges? Again, going to fall into these three major systems here so that you can actually grow your business. All right, so let me come back so I can see you face to face. So if you have questions, reach out, leave a comment below, or send me a DM for my current digital business members. You don't have to do anything if you want to stay right where you're at. If you want to go up to the next level, then let me know that also, and I'll send you the link. Super excited. So thanks for watching this, and I'll talk